This is monthly chart of gold, and in 1 year gold went from 1676 to 2017, and now price is making double top near 2075. This can be flat correction after this multi-year bull market started from 1046 to 2075, and this depend on Russia Ukraine crisis and upcoming recession, because this trend has made 38% retracement and it has room to make 50% retracement, and it depend on Russia Ukraine peace talk. If we compare last 10-year support and resistance, then we can see price is still trading at previous all-time high near 1921. If that level breaks, then next target on this monthly time frame will be 2075, because we do not have any resistance above 2075, and next psychological resistance is 2100. If everything become back to normal and recession does not come and war over, then our next support is 1788, and which can confirm this is a valid flat correction. If we go to weekly time frame, then we can see last week again tested this 1921 support zone, but 3 weekly candle are above this 1921 horizontal support level, and if bulls are again buying gold like last year, then their nearest target is 2075 and new higher high 2100. If we only focus on recent support and resistance, then price is still making a sideways range between this 1960 resistance zone and 1900 support zone. If this range break, then it can test all-time high or this lower trend line. If we go to daily time frame, then we can see price is making a strong support on this previous resistance zone, and it is confirmed by closing of this multiple daily candle, and last week it also made this hammer candlestick on daily time frame, and all of these bulls who are taking entry are waiting for clear breakout on 1960 resistance zone. If we go to H4 time frame for more detailed understanding, price had made this double bottom pattern, and if this 1960 level breaks, then it will confirm a double bottom, and price can easily go up to 2075. If you are bulls, then wait for clear breakout on 1960 level or retest of this 1880 support level. because if you focus only on H4 support and resistance, then our resistance 1963 and our support is 1880, and this is a sideways range. Before downside breakout, it can be a flat correction, then continue its bearish trend, which will depend on this Russia Ukraine crisis, because this peace talk is same like Brexit. If you trade during that time, then you know every day there was a new news: Brexit, no Brexit, deal, no deal, and same thing happened with this Russia Ukraine peace talk. Only successful breakout of 1963 will confirm a bullish trend, and you can take entry on retest, and our first target will be 2000, then new higher high. If we consider chart pattern, then last week it made this various flag pattern, and after breakout now it is testing this, but this bearish flag test is still predicting a new lower low, and if this level 1819 break, then it will confirm it was a bearish flag and new lower low is coming. We do not know after this FOMC bottom this is a sideways correction before next bearish drop, or double bottom before new all time high, because this can be a flat correction or a chart pattern. If you connect this recent high and low, and this look like a expanding triangle chart pattern. So new trend will be confirmed after successful breakout of this sideways range. And if you apply Elliott wave theory, then it has completed its 5-wave decline, and fourth wave made this zigzag AVC correction. And based on Elliott wave theory, this 1890 is our bottom, and new bulls who are taking entry have their first target 1963, and our 50% retracement is 1980. If this is a trend reversal after 5-wave decline, then this can be A B C correction, and which can easily break 1963 and test 50% retracement at 1980 or 61% retracement at 2000 level. If you compare weekly and H4 time frame side by side, then you can see we have only one resistance 2075 and support 1780, and right now price is trading at this weekly support zone. And if we compare daily and H4 time frame, this sideways range is previous resistance on daily time frame, and if it make a new low, the next target will be 1877. So it can test 1877 before making higher high, but after test of that level, the closing of daily candle above 1960 will confirm trend reversal or bulls taking entry. If on H4 time frame we have sideways range, on daily we have test of horizontal support and confirmation level for bulls breakout on 1960 level. For intraday trader, your sale zone is 1980 to 2000 and your buy entry should be on breakout on 1965 resistance, and your buying entry should be at test of 1877 support level. If we go to H1 time frame, then this trend started from 1890, has made it 50% retracement, and it has made this hammer candlestick pattern near 50% retracement, and this level near 1920 has been tested almost 3 times. And if this was a valid bottom after 5 Elliott wave decline, then next impulsive wave have a 100% projection at 1977. If anything bad about this Russia Ukraine crisis come, then next leg have its target at 1977. It can easily break this previous high 1965. So on H1 time frame we have bullish entry based on our weekly and daily time frame, because on H4 time frame we still have sideways range. If this high breaks, then new higher high and next wave will confirm by its new retracement, whether it is a AVC correction or new impulsive fifth wave is coming.